I'm 3 News Now weather alert meteorologist Audra with this weather update here on the web. Thanks for joining me at 3newsnow.com. Our Saturday has been a fairly dry day for most of us. We will see an increasing chance, though, for some showers and thunderstorms as we head through tonight and even into very early Sunday morning. So around 10, 11 o'clock, that's when we start to see some more showers and thunderstorms pushing into southeastern Nebraska and parts of southwestern Iowa and extreme northwestern Missouri. This will continue as we go over the next couple hours there. So by 1 o'clock in the morning, we may be seeing a little bit of rain here in Omaha. The heaviest stuff, though, should stay farther down to our south and to our east. Moves out of here for Sunday morning, so most of us are seeing temperatures right around 60 degrees, some in the 50s to start things off there. And then we'll see partly cloudy skies through the day, warming back up some into the low 80s and upper 70s. A few spotty showers are possible, but we'll see a better chance for some showers and thunderstorms once we get into Sunday night into very early Monday morning. There you can see that line of storms coming into the area, possibly around 1 o'clock in the morning. We'll see timing on this. Models have been changing a little bit, but right now it seems fairly consistent between about 9 to 2 a.m. when parts of the area could be seeing some of those strong to possibly even severe thunderstorms. Speaking of that, there is a severe thunderstorm watch until 11 o'clock this Saturday night for parts of northwestern Missouri and southwestern Iowa. That goes until 11. That slight risk for severe weather pushed down a little bit farther to the south, but you see a few of us still in the marginal risk for severe weather. That's all to the south of Omaha, along with a flash flood watch that goes through Sunday morning. Any of the thunderstorms that are dropping rain tonight, that's going to be already on extremely saturated ground, so I have to be careful of any water over the roads down south. As for our Sunday severe weather risk, most of the area is included in the slight risk. So our main threats will be large hail and damaging winds, but can't completely rule out an isolated tornado. There is an enhanced risk a little bit farther off to our west and to our south. Over the next several days here, we're going to see that chance for showers and thunderstorms even into Memorial Day. Now, most of that looks like it'll be very early Monday morning, but there's a chance we could see a few more showers and thunderstorms later in the evening, and that continues into Tuesday. Temperatures are going to be in the low 80s and upper 70s, so just make sure you stay weather aware through the rest of this holiday weekend. And things start to dry out a little bit by the middle part and second half of the week, with just a few rain chances Wednesday and Friday. Temperatures there back in the 70s, and that will continue as we head into next weekend.